These are the week 5 asynchronous notes. This is page 4, video part 4. And here we have a rational function y of x equals negative x minus 2 over 6x minus 4. And our goal is to find y prime of x. So this is similar to, but also in a way different from the previous two examples. In the previous two examples, we were asked for y prime of a given specific number, like y prime of 3. But here we're asked for a general expression for y prime of x. So we don't have a specific number given to us, and we'll leave it x. X is x. So that's the difference. That said, there's going to be a lot of similarity between example 3, this one, and the previous one, example 2 in the previous video. The first thing we want to do here is find and simplify y of x plus h. And that's just like we did before, except now we don't have a specific number for x, we're leaving it x. So this means to go back to the original function, and wherever we see an x, we need to replace it by x plus h. So we have negative parentheses x plus h minus 2 over 6 parentheses x plus h minus 4. That is a key and maybe the tricky step. So just to reiterate, what's going on is we have this function given to us, y of x. In it we have these two x's. Each of those needs to be replaced by x plus h. So where there were x's before, now there's x plus h's in both cases. And that's where this comes from. Now we need to simplify it a bit, so we'll have negative x minus h minus 2 all over 6x plus 6h minus 4. That's step 1 done, and step 2 now is to subtract and simplify. Y of x plus h minus y of x is what we just figured out, y of x plus h. So negative x minus h minus 2 all over 6x plus 6h minus 4 minus y of x, which is the function itself as given. So now we need to write minus negative x minus 2 over 6x minus 4. Now I've rewritten what's up above, but I'm going to add now the factors that we need for the common denominator. So the first fraction needs a 6x minus 4 in the bottom, so we have to put it in the top as well, like so. The second fraction needs 6x plus 6h minus 4. Now comes a lot of distributing out, so 6x times each of these three terms. That'll be negative 6x squared minus 6xh minus 12x. And then negative 4 times each of those three terms. That'll be plus 4x plus 4h plus 8. Now I've brought down the minus sign and put the remaining terms in brackets because I'm going to do all these distributings. Negative x times the three terms in the trinomial, which is here, and then negative 2 similarly times the three terms in the trinomial. Those are these guys. But I still need those brackets for the moment because I'm subtracting that whole thing off. So the next step, I need to distribute, meaning change all the signs into brackets, and then combine like terms where possible. And I've also put everything over top of the common denominator.